Hey guys, welcome to the B&S show where there is only a B and no S currently. You may see a picture of Stan here in the video. He's here in spirit. I'm on the road and getting more videos out for you guys. I'm Brian. Welcome to the B&S show. We're going to do some Marcelito Pomoy. Is it Pomoy or Pomoy? Pomoy? Pomoy. I don't know. Always looking for more videos from him. Please feel free to send comments and links to great videos of Marcelito. This is the remote control challenge. I have no idea what this is, but we're gonna check it out. Are you ready? Here we go.
Meron akong ipapakanta sa'yo, pero pag pinundot kita, kailangan mag-change ka
Okay.
ng key. Kung lalaki ka sa simula, kailangan mag-change ka ng pambabae. Pag pumindot ako ulit from pambabae, mag-change ka naman sa
I
lalaki.
don't
Tapos palit lang
understand
ng palit.
any of that.
Okay?
Okay.
Okay. Ang kanta ay Endless Love. Duet talaga yan.
Pwede.
Magsisimula tayo sa lalaki, ha? Tut.
My love,
Beautiful.
there's only you in my life. The only things that's right.
Ang galing, ang daming S. Tut.
My first love,
Oh,
your every breath that I take, your every step I make.
Pasado. Tut.
And
Tut.
I want to share
Tut.
oh my love,
with you. No one
Tut.
else
will you
that's great.
in your
right.
Tut.
Your eyes,
they tell me how
Tut.
much you
care.
Tut.
Oh, yeah.
Tut.
You will
Tut.
Always
Tut.
be
Wow.
Tut. Tut.
and
Tut. Tut.
love.
That's funny.
Ang galing!
Thank you.
Palakpakan natin, Marcelito Pomoy!
Salamat.
Pomoy. Pomoy.
Gusto ko lang sabihin sa iyo na maraming salamat.
Maraming salamat.
Dahil sa pagkakapanalo mo at pagpasok mo sa Grand Finals dito sa America's Got Talent Champions Edition, binigyan mo ng panibagong rason ang buong Pilipinas para makatanggap kami ng
What's with the
magandang
lady on
bagong
the moon
balita.
behind? It's like this endless music of a
Magbuni,
lady
pumalakpak,
on the moon.
maging masaya at humanga ulit sa kapwa Pilipino at muling magpakita ng suporta sa bawat Pilipino.
Salamat.
Maraming salamat.
Thank you.
Sana magtuloy-tuloy yan. Sana manalo ka sa Grand Finals. Lahat ng Pilipino ay ipagdadasal ka at susuportahan ka sa kanilang sariling paraan.
Thank you.
Congratulations.
Thank you so much, Mike.
We are very proud of you.
Thank you.
Yay! Marcelito Pomoy!
That's nice. Yeah, I don't. I forget. I don't know how you pronounce Tagalog. It looks like Tagalog, but that's not how you pronounce it. But anyway, I don't know it. I've been to Manila once. I've probably told you guys. I did a speaking gig there for Union Bank. Went to Mega Mall and had a great dinner. Very nice people. It was great to be there. Super long flight. Lots of jet lag. Anyway, that was super cool. Like Marcelito, I mean, we've seen him switch, but to see him switch voices and octaves that quickly, very impressive. Very impressive. Marcelito. Cool. All right, you guys got more requests for Marcelito? Let me know. Hit us up in the comments. Always nice to have a link. Don't forget to subscribe to the show, B&S show, and you can see other videos with me and Stan. That's it. Love you guys. Peace out. See you later.